Okay, realtors, thank you for joining me on this quick guide on how to find hot listing leads through for free through your MLS. That's right, I said for free. It's a data mining tool that is offered through your membership with your MLS that I know in pretty much in all 50 states it's being offered. Um, and like I mentioned, it's a data mining tool that has up to date data. I'm telling you, raw data, real time data, and it's got to be the best so far from all the ones I have tried. I've tried Vulcan Seven. I'm sorry, Smart Zip. I've checked. I mean, I've worked with Zillow, Redfin. Some other ones that I've worked with is ListSource, PropStream, PropWire. These are all data companies that fall short to this data mining tool that is offered, and let me once again say it, for free through the MLS, through your membership. Because and you know why it's so good? It's because it's real time data, it's raw data, like I said, and it's connected to the MLS, and that's the reason why. So let's go there, and let's find that hot list. That's so, like I mentioned, this is our MLS here in Illinois. So what you do is basically you go over to your face here off to the right, or it might be your logo. So you click on there and you come down to text. You click on there. Then you go right here to go to remind text. It's going to take a minute because I think what it's doing, it's going through all its data and whatnot. Um, and let me just hide all that stuff down there. And I was playing with it earlier, so let me just clear all these fields. So when you first get on, this is how it looks. Pretty much, it's going to show you somewhat a map. As you can see, it's here in Addison, but if you zoom out, you can see pretty much it covers all of. Since I'm in Illinois, it's pretty much targeting all of Illinois. But when you first get on, you're going to just have these three options here, and these three windows right here are not there. But how you locate them is you go here to filters, and then you go down and you pin how you want to search these properties by, like I got mine. I got off market, bed, square foot, status, and you could go down and continue. You could go by price, listed date, and whatnot. But these are basically the four that I've been working with. That's been working great for me. But you got a ton here to choose from, and then you got all these other filters up here on the site. This is where all the magic is at right here. But let me show you something, realtors. Like I mentioned, Vulcan 7 and all the Smart Zip that offer basically data from the MLS, which is mostly just for sale by owner leads, and they offer expired leads. It all comes from here. And let me tell you, it usually takes a few days for them to update that information, which you pay hundreds of dollars for monthly. When right here, and let me show you right here, right here. If you click on status, and once again, you got to go to filters and add that. You got those options here. You got canceled and expired. So right here, you get that same data that you get from Vulcan 7 that people are paying the hundreds of dollars for. You get it right through your MLS for free right here. All you got to do is click on that, and it'll pop up right here on the site. You put in here the address or the zip codes you're working in, the neighborhoods or whatever it is, and it pops up right here. And that's a great way of getting those lists if that's what you target, if that's your thing. But like I said, this guide here is basically how to find you deals right away. I'm talking about like today, hot deals, listings. You can find hot listings for people that are right now looking for someone, yelling for help, looking for a way out of their situation. Um, Looking for someone to come and to help them in their situation, or looking for someone to help them list their property. You'll be surprised how many people don't have people who to rely on, and that's why it's our job as marketers to locate them and and make them a lead. So, like I mentioned, this is where the magic is made. These are windows that you can filter. These are all filters that you could choose, that you could put together a prospecting list. So you got property value, home equity, you got ownership time, you got sales score. Sales score is pretty. It's pretty neat because you can target property based on If you click on low, medium, high, for some reason they know. For some reason, this data company knows when a person needs to sell. That's what high is for. Then you got absentee, which we all know what absentee is. For those that don't know, absentee is people that own the property but don't live in it. They're either renting it or it's just vacant. You got flood zone risk, building type, land use, mortgage rate. Look, it'll tell you exactly what their mortgage rates are. A mortgage age. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Mortgage age also, which is a great way to locate uh, people who've been in their properties, or don't have no mortgage or been in the property forever. Those people are most likely to sell. But that's for a different video, which I could show you guys how I do that, how I use all these filters at once, and how I get really hot leads for listings. As you continue, this is basically this is the one I'm speaking about, the one that you could basically uh, find leads right now that you could work on today, and you could literally lock them up today. So it's distress deals. These are people that are going through distress situations right now, that are looking for a way out of their distress situation, looking for help, and that's our job, to locate them and then to help them, offer them whatever solution they need. Either listing it, offer them short sale. You can either pick it up yourself. um, you got a lot of options. That's the beauty about real estate. You got options. You can show them. You can wholesale, which is an amazing way of of putting more money in your pocket, which is totally legal. We can definitely do wholesaling, and I can show you that as well. How I do that, how I have other people doing that for me, and how most of those deals that I target off market, which I get a lot of off market properties, how I convert them to listings. But that's, like I said, that's a different video. So what you do here is you click on all four of these. You got list pendings, notice of default, you got notice of foreclosure, and notice of trustee sale. And you click on all of these and you apply. And then you go up here and you put in the city you work in. I suggest you work in your own backyard for now, um, or it doesn't matter. It's wherever the areas you work in. So my backyard is Addison. I live in Addison, so I'm gonna go ahead and work in Addison. Bam, and there it is. Look at this. You got 26 properties right now. Oh, wait a minute. Make sure, because you got an active one here. You got to click on off market properties. I almost forgot that part, but there it is. You got 25 results, 25 people right now that are in distress situations, that are looking for a way out of their property, and it's our job to now, go after these people to try to help them out of this situation. As you can see, look at all these properties here. As you go down, you got 25. Um, you keep on going down, you got all these properties. Look at all these, so I mean, these are people that are looking for a way out of their situation. I mean, look at, as you continue down, you can see all these properties right here. Look at this here. Um, you know what? Let's pick this one. Let's go with this one right here, so I can show you how it looks. Um, there it is. You got the address of the property. You got the value, the beds, the square footage. You got a photo of the property here. As you can see, it tells you it's a single family home. It's been owned for 7 years by Brian Collier and Holtz Collier. Um, so pretty much, as you continue down, it gives you more information about the property. It tells you that the value is 292. That he has a loan, that he still owes 227. As you continue down, look at right here, distress. As you can see, he's in a distress situation. So he has a notice of lease pending. So this person right here is looking for a way out. So it's our job as realtors to now target this person. And now, I mean, I suggest you be super aggressive until you get in touch with this person, either by door knocking, sending them mailers. My best ways of targeting people is um, cold calling them, cold texting them. The best way that's been working great for me, and this is how I got my first few wholesale deals, And my first few listings is I was putting letters on people's doors. I converted that to sticky notes, and I could show you my script, which has been working amazing. It almost guarantees for these people to call. You and like I said, you just continue to target these people until they tell you, you know, yeah, I need help. Let's list it. Let's see what you got to offer. It's basically how to get in that front door to have a conversation with them, or until they tell you, you know what, leave me alone, drop me, get rid of my name. I mean, my number. Um, but that's our job as realtors. But more, I say we're more marketers because we need to market ourselves to these people and find these people and convert them into leads and convert them into closings. And like I said, you got options with these properties. I mean, like you can list them, you can short sale them, like I mentioned, and like I mentioned, the best way that's been working for me is wholesaling. You can pick them up yourself, you can buy them yourself. Um, you can work with hard money, you might have loan, you can help them, but whatever it is, you're helping this person who's in a tough situation. And like I mentioned, cold calling is one of the best ways of targeting these people. And then if not, cold calling or texting, so either or, people either answer their phones or they don't, or if you text, they answer the text, they respond to text better. Um, now, now you might ask, how do I get this person's phone number? There's a lot of skip tracing companies that charge you for phone numbers, but it could get pretty pricey. But because you decide to get this guide from me, I'm going to give you a bonus on how I get these homeowners' phone numbers for free. You heard it again, for free. And you're going to be amazed how accurate this information is. I mean, it blew me away because I put in my own information and it was spot on. And I suggest you do it yourself. So the name of that website is called True People Search. As you can see, it's the first one that popped up because I was using it earlier. Excuse me, my phone is going off. True People Search. And there it is, truepeoplesearch.com. You click on there. And then what you do here is basically you can search a person through name, phone number, address, email. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be searching people through by address. So you go back to Remind, and what you do is you just copy the address, copy that address. You go back to People Search. You go bam, you go there, Harvard Avenue, and there it is. It's the first one there. You click on there, search, okay, and then this keeps on popping. Let me get that out of the way there. So the person you're looking for is either Brian Collier or Holtz Collier. I think I said there. So as you can see, you got you're gonna get ads. That's part of it. Um, oh, oh my God, I don't know what happened there. So let's just do that one more time. Go to address search. Uh, Luckily, it's still there. Let's go back here. Maybe it took too long. I don't know. It's the first one that popped up. Let's search again. And then here you go. You got Jessica Holtz. I'm pretty sure it's a family member or spouse. Brian Collier. That's the person that we're trying to contact. And just to make sure, we go back to, there it is. Brian Collier right there. Brian Collier. So what you do is you click on view details. And there you go. You're going to get the ad. There it is. There's the address of the property that we're searching. And here it is. It says possible prime phone number, but I'm going to tell you, man, these phone numbers are like 87% accurate most of the time, 87 to 100% accurate. And you got his primary wireless phone number, his cell number, and here it doesn't end there. If you continue down, you go down. You also got his email. So this is another way of targeting this person. You could get his email and start emailing him that you're interested in helping him in this tough situation and interested in buying his property, whatever script you use. You can also go on Facebook and try to locate him through this email on Facebook or through his name and target him that way. As you can see, it gives you more information about the property. And here's another way. Say, for instance, if this person does not respond or doesn't pick up his phone, doesn't respond to your calls, your texts, your emails, or Facebook, what I suggest, and when I've done this, is then I start targeting their family members, and I start reaching out to family members. and just reaching out and finding out more about Brian and their situation. And you'll be surprised how much a lot of the times they know what's going on, and they're going to give you that information, or reach out to them and give them their information, because, like I said, they're in a distress situation. Um, I hope you got value from this. I hope I didn't take too long. I'm at 14 minutes, going on 15. But like I said, I'm going to be creating other guides on how to use these filters here on Remind. Other ways of filtering, how you could get prospect lists, really hot lists from all these filters. I'm telling you, the best list that I've gotten is from through here. How I also I'm going to be offering courses on how I do this, how I have other people doing this, VAs, and the systems I use, where I'm hands off and I got other people doing this for me. Um, while I'm working a 9 to 5 as a detective for a police department. And if you need help, one-on-one help, or you need have any questions, either like I said, click on the link below, or email me or call me, whichever one, and reach out to me, and I'll be more than happy to help. Good luck with this.